XM30 OMFV 2026. America's next-gen combat vehicle that fights with or without a crew. What if the future of armored warfare could fight with or without a crew? Meet the XM30 OMFV, the U.S. Army's ultimate combat evolution in 2026. In 2026, the battlefield no longer relies solely on human presence. The XM30 OMFV, optionally manned fighting vehicle, represents a revolutionary leap in ground warfare, capable of being piloted by a crew or operating autonomously via remote command. It's more than a fighting vehicle, it's a battlefield brain on tracks. Built to replace the aging Bradley IFV, the upgraded XM30 combines lethal firepower, advanced sensors and modular armor with futuristic battlefield integration. Its 30mm automatic cannon, anti-tank missile launcher and AI-powered threat detection system allow it to outgun, outsmart and outmaneuver any threat. The 2026 upgrade includes a luxurious, digitized cockpit with holographic tactical overlays, voice-activated controls, and full battlefield connectivity via satellite and drone feeds. Operators can command swarm drones, mark enemy positions and reroute in real time, all from within a climate-controlled armored cabin. XM30 OMFV's hybrid electric powertrain, active suspension, and low-infrared signature make it agile, stealthy, and energy-efficient across all terrains. From dense urban conflict zones to desert and snow-covered battlefields, it adapts and survives. But the XM30 isn't just a tool of war, it's a symbol of the future. Its unmanned capability redefines survivability. Its adaptability ensures relevance. And its presence alone shifts battlefield dynamics in favor of those who command it. The XM30 is not just an armored vehicle. It's the next step in combat evolution, and the future is already here.